So I'm going to show you how to change a toilet seat. Whether you're moving into a new property or you've broken it like I have, this is just an easy way to show you how to fix it. Also, if it is wobbly like that, this is how you fix it too. If you reach under the back, under here, you will see the screws to do up the toilet seat. Basically, if it's wobbling, you want to just tighten those and it will stop wobbling. But to replace the toilet seat, obviously you want to undo them. So you can literally just do this by hand because they're usually plastic. So you just unscrew like that and then repeat on the other side. Lift off. Give the area a clean if you want to. With your new toilet seat, before you take it out of the packaging, make sure that it will fit your toilet. This seems about right. Obviously it's not perfect because it's not, you know, the specific one for my toilet, but that was like 80 quid and this was 25. So, and this is one of those clever quick release ones as well. So you literally just have to click it and down. But first we need to install the screws. So as you can see, this will expand as it tightens. So what you want to do is just place it in the hole, pop it in there, and then you literally just get your screwdriver and tighten it up from here. If you've got one of the same ones like before that have this type of fitting, all you do is pop it in and then tighten it up from the other side as I showed you how to undo it. So once they are tightened, all you do is pop the caps on. You've got to make sure you can also twist them as well to fit the distance of the toilet seat, because if your holes are a bit further apart, then you'll need to turn them inwards a little bit. So yeah, you just cover those and then you just get your new toilet seat, line it up, and you're done. Soft close.